Go! Now! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey guys, welcome to Weaponized T-Rex. And we're making some weird stuff here. What kind of stuff? Well, miniguns. The Rubber Band Miniguns. A fully automatic minigun made of wood.
Ha! This is so f***ing useless.
We will cut that out. With this bad boy, you can claim your dominance and no one will ever doubt it. No more pathetic fun, no more lame jokes at you from your colleagues or friends. Or shoot tomatoes, for God's sake. But don't shoot kittens, only villains do that. Kitty, 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 kitty. And now you may be thinking what a pain in the ass it may be to reload that thing. Not even a bit. Due to the loading mechanism, you can load it up in less than 5 minutes. What the hell is happening? Come on. Work. So, shall we proceed to the production? We control all the production process at our factory. Let's go, I'm gonna show you that. This is a super up-to-date and well-equipped factory with a totally new approach to minigun production. As you can see that... Back us up on Kickstarter today and get yours.